Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will be sharing this amazing smoky jollof rice. But first, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to hit the bell notification as well so that you can be notified of my new amazing recipes. Without further ado, let's get started. So to begin, I've already steamed my vegetables. I didn't want to bore you with cutting of the vegetables. I steamed them for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to pop them into my blender. We'll go ahead to add in some garlic and rosemary. We'll blend them until they are nicely smooth. Guys, so next is my stew base. To my hot pot, we'll add in some oil. I'm using about 4 to 5 tablespoons of coconut oil, or you can use any oil you have. Once the oil is hot enough, we'll fry my onions until it is translucent. This should take about a minute or two. So once the onions are ready, we'll add in my tomato paste and fry until it has lost all its sourness. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. You also want to keep stirring so that it doesn't burn. So once the tomato paste is well fried, I'm going to go ahead to add in my blended steamed vegetable and fry it for another 10 minutes. From this point, it doesn't take time to cook. Remember, we steamed the vegetables, which also cuts down the cooking time. So I'm going to fry it for about 10 minutes. So I'm going to add in my seasons at this moment. So guys, I've listed all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box. So please do check it out. We'll mix all together and add in some bay leaves. We'll cover and allow it to boil up while I go ahead to wash my rice. Next is to add in my washed rice. Now I'm using long grain rice, but you can use any rice you have available. We'll give it a good mix until everything is properly combined. Remember, your gas should remain on medium-low heat. Next is to add in a can of coconut milk, but you can omit it and add in your hot water or regular water. Give it a quick mix and add in some salt to taste. Then cover the pot so that it can start cooking. So the parchment paper will help to seal in the steam for the rice to cook without adding in a lot of water. So after 15 minutes later, I came back to check on the rice. We'll give it a gentle mix and cover it to cook for additional 15 to 20 minutes. So after 15 minutes, look at this beauty. I'm going to go ahead to throw in some onions and green bell peppers and mix it really well. This jollof rice is not even ready, but the aroma in this kitchen, it's amazing. So we'll cover and allow it to cook for additional 3 minutes. And our jollof rice will be ready to serve. So guys, after 3 minutes later, our jollof rice is ready. And guess who is ready? Moi. Because this jollof is banging. I hope you will try this recipe. It's amazing. Oh my goodness. And that is it for today's video. If you're new here, you are welcome, and please subscribe and like this video. Thank you. And to my amazing returning subscribers, you know I love you and God bless you. Until next time, please stay blessed and happy. Bye, guys.